Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to set up Mixpanel so you can track user behavior, understand how people use your website or app, and make smarter business decisions without needing to be a data expert. First off, sign up at mixpanel.com and create a new project. Give it a name like your company or app name and select your time zone and default funnel group. Next, install the tracking code on your website or integrate the SDK into your app. Mixpanel gives you a snippet of code to paste into your site's header or follow setup steps if you're using a platform like WordPress or Shopify. Here's a pro tip. After installing, use their Live View feature to see real-time events as users interact with your site or app. Don't forget, define your key events like button clicks, sign-ups, or purchases so you can track what really matters to your business. Also, explore reports like funnels, retention, and trends to uncover insights about your audience and improve your strategy. Should setting up Mixpanel feel overwhelming? Not anymore. Now you've got the tools to start tracking smart and growing with data. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know. What should we cover next?